Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. So glad you're here, and if you are new, my name is Teresa. Happy 2021 everybody, and I have to get used to saying that. Hope everyone is having a blessed new year so far. Today I'm going to bring y'all along as I show y'all 3 ways we can make very inexpensive wreaths. Hopefully you'll have a few of these items on hand at home so you don't have to go out and shop. And you know, the wreath form I'm going to use, I did order it from Amazon, so hopefully we don't have to leave our homes to make these. I'm trying to find inexpensive ways to use things I may already have on hand to fill those spaces after I take down my holiday decorations. So I hope y'all enjoy the video, and I hope you get lots of inspiration. If you're not already following me on my home decor Facebook page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. As I took down some of my holiday decorations from Christmas, I could continue using the wreaths that I had up. They were like some snow flocked wreaths, but I decorated really early this year and I was kind of tired of looking at them, so I decided to make some of my own. And I got some inspiration off of Pinterest of people repurposing scarves and making wreaths, and these are so easy, y'all. You basically just take a scarf. These scarves that I'm using are kind of like frou-frou, but you can use any kind of scarf. You can use, you know, fleece scarves. You can use scarves that have fringe on them. You basically just want to wrap it around your wreath, and if you can, leave tails and just tie it at the end. And this wreath, this scarf right here, I obtained from a yard sale a couple of years ago, and then the other one you're going to see, I got it at a consignment store. So, you know, great places to get scarves at very inexpensive prices, or, you know, yard sales. And you can also check at thrift stores. A lot of times they'll sell scarves for 50 cents or $1. So get your scarves out, repurpose those. The wreath form that I use for these projects, I ordered off of Amazon. I'm going to link them below, but you get a pack of 4. So, you know, we can make several projects with these. But I want to take down my flocked wreaths, and I wanted to replace them with some, you know, some other wreaths. So this was the solution that I came up with to, you know, where I can just DIY my own wreaths. And I'm going to show you different ways that I embellished them. You know, after I got the wreath forms covered, these are the coffee filter roses, flowers that I made, and I have a video where I show how you make those, and I will link it below. Very easy to make these little coffee filter rosettes, and they're a lot of fun to make. And so I'm just going to show you different ways now of how you can embellish your wreaths after you get them made. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I hope you will, and also hit that bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a video. This scarf here I got at a consignment store, and I only paid like a couple of dollars for it, but I'm showing you how you can embellish it with flowers that you may have on hand. I'm going to show you how we can embellish it with some jewelry. And if you're not familiar with my videos, I do a lot of embellishments using Totally Dazzled jewelry, and I'm going to leave a link to Totally Dazzled below if you want to go out and shop their website. They have some really nice jewelry at very inexpensive prices. And they're great to embellish our projects with. So love Totally Dazzled, so I'll leave a link below if you want to go out and shop. And just, you know, you can, it's endless the ways that you can embellish these wreaths. I'm showing you ways that we can make inexpensive bows. Like I say, you can put your vintage jewelry on it, flowers. So the sky's the limit on these, and I think you'll enjoy making these, and they're a lot of fun. Now here I wanted to show you the flocked wreath. Love these wreaths. Got them at Walmart, at Christmas time around, $10. I bought them last year. But, I've had my decorations up for a couple months, so I kind of want to take them down and do something different. This is another rag wreath I made. I used another repurposed scarf. And I'm just showing you the rag wreath. I'm not showing how to make it because I already have a video on how to make a rag wreath. I'll link it below. I'm just pointing out how you can repurpose fabrics, old clothing you may have, old scarves, cut those in strips and make a rag wreath. And all you'll need to be, is a wire wreath form. And I think the one that I used for this size wreath was a 12-inch. So, and it, like I say, it adds to my winter wonderland because it's in those neutral colors. And I just want to show you this little space here of how I decorated it. And this little shabby chic tree that I made, I want to keep it out year round. I mean, I think it goes well with the shabby chic theme. So I'll just kind of move it around my home and reuse it. And I'm just showing you different textures and colors of like throw pillows that you can put, when you put your neutrals in, the pinks and the ticking stripe. And this little throw that I got that at Dollar General. So Dollar General a lot of times has really nice throws and blankets. I'm also going to link the pillow covers that I got, the pink plaid. I ordered those from Amazon, so I'm going to link those below. And also that flower bouquet. I've used it a bunch in my videos. Love these. I have several of these, so I'm going to link these below. They're very inexpensive, and you can decorate with these year round. I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I hope you got lots of inspiration. I hope you will make some wreaths, and decorate your home for the winter season. And as always, y'all, I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. I hope you have a great year for 2021. And God willing, I will see y'all in the next video.